least you're over land, versus there you will be over
I have
water.
clouds there. If I cannot see, it's no useless to me. I have to
But
see.
you can continue like endless.
Give more. Please, I'm the pilot in command. You gotta let it go.
Looking good.
John C. Tower, Cherokee 22336, holding short on 20.
Cherokee 2236, runway 20 clear for takeoff traffic, say Diamond Air on a 2-mile left base.
Clear for takeoff, Cherokee 22336.
Blue 98, traffic will be at Cherokee departing prior to arrival.
Right, clear.
Cessna 4056 uniform, which taxi
Camera,
correct
action.
at the fuel farm now?
50. 60. Roll. Ground effect.
Cessna 972 Delta Papa, runway 20, taxi via Romeo 3 Alpha. You can do your run up at Alpha 4.
November 204, Mike Bravo, turn left heading 130 and descend to maintain 6,000.
Okay, left to 130, down to 6,000 for Mike Bravo.
November 22336, your radar contact 8 miles west of the Nashville airport. For traffic inbound to Nashville from Alpha heading at 180, and when able to see you're on course heading to Alpha Papa Tango.
Heading 180, Cherokee 22336. 180, want to go this way.
359, come and maintain 15,000, show you leaving 3,700.
Wow, look at the clouds, it's so hot. This is bad. You see that thing? This is turbulence over there. When you see it like a towering?
Yeah. But it's patches, it's not all over.
But there, you see? There, I don't like to see. None of us.
Number 489 Mike Hotel, turn left, heading 280.
Follow Cherokee 22336, climbing to 7,500.
Number 336, thank you.
Right now, it's VFR at APT. We can make it there. Ah, it would be so nice.
November 336, area of moderate to heavy precipitation, 12 o'clock, and 10 miles, south at 20 miles in diameter.
We'll turn left about 20 degrees, Cherokee 22336, thank you.
Number 336, roger, maintain VFR.
Maintain VFR, Cherokee 22336. We have about 40 miles, 39 nautical miles, 39.8.
To where?
To the APT. I'll put my lights on so people can see me. Rain ahead. Okay, so it's on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jet speed 402, climb maintain flight level 230.
Flight level 230, jet speed 402.
Notice no GA airplanes are flying, except us. Everything is airlines. Airlines. Everywhere. Clear over there, so maybe we'll just keep on going. Now, because we're passing the airport.
You want to continue to the next?
Yeah. Because then the next one is this one I might.
Which one?
VFR. Here, you see, you have the greens. These are the airport candidates.
Okay.
This one, these ones. So I'm gonna continue.
Okay.
Airspeed is alive. Gauges are in the green. 60. 5, roll.
Cherokee 22336, I show you clear the surface area, freak change approved, have a safe flight.
Thank you, frequency change approved. Cherokee 22336. Hello, Cherokee 22336.
6636.
Just left right airfield at 1,500. Request flight following to Lantana. That's Lima, November Alpha. Cherokee 22336.
At least you're over land, versus there you will be over
I have
water.
clouds there. If I cannot see, it's no useless to me. I have to
But
see.
you can continue like endless.
Give more. Please, I'm the pilot in command. You gotta let it go. I understand your suggestions. I just don't feel comfortable over there. Okay? I don't feel comfortable over there. I'd rather be in the sun.
Say again for 3
I
Alpha.
mean, when there's clear. Here, I don't see anything. And actually, I'm heading right to SSI. Bingo, right? I'm intercepting it. Right, it's over there, so I'm heading straight to it. You cannot just look at this and say, oh, I gotta be there. No, because I had to deviate, right? So I intercepted there. You got it? You see it? You see it, right?
I go by this here.
No, you cannot. You cannot because I'm deviating. I cannot go because of clouds. Okay? This is, so this, you just put it in, right? I need to intercept it. Intercepting doesn't mean make a right to it. That's not it. It's right in front of me, the next one. You see? SSI? It's in front of me. So that's, it just worked out. But I deviate for clouds. Doesn't matter. This is not that important. Important is to be out of the clouds. This is secondary. It's the ideal to follow it, but you cannot. Approach Cherokee 22336.
Give me your full call sign one more time, please.
November 22336.
Or 22336. Roger, stand by 1 second. November 22336, clock 6205.
Squawk 6205, Cherokee 22336.
22336, radar contact 5 miles north of St. Simon. Singer Cherokee, where are you going? What's your destination and cruising altitude?
Altitude is 1,500. Would like to request climbing to 5,500 if possible. And destination is Lantana, Lima, November Alpha. Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, Getter is a mod 2 extreme precipitation, 12 o'clock, 8 miles, 30 miles in diameter.
Thank you, Cherokee 22336.
Traveling 350 to 2, slowest practical speed for sequencing.
Generally 350, we're slowing it up.
Here we are, Lima Hotel Whiskey. Very nice airport. The FBO, really nice. Not busy at all. Price of fuel, fantastic. $5.75. So we actually had a hard time getting to it. We were weaving and bobbing the clouds. I had to climb up to, what was it, 8,500 I think it was? Yeah, somewhere around there, and then I had to go down, descend, and then get up again to avoid the clouds and the Sigmets that were in our way. So it was very challenging. We made it to Toronto, obviously, and we were flying from Nashville, and we kept on changing alternate airports all the time to find one that had VFR. And it was very challenging, anxious. My passenger, though, was
annoyed.
Annoyed? Well, this is as usual. Because the flight has been, like I said, depending on the weather, the clouds, it is annoying, but as you know, safety comes first, so pilot in command does not feel comfortable, cannot fly. I know my limitation, my limits, and I will not risk it. It's just not worth it.
Number 22336, proceed on course.
Proceed on course, Cherokee 22336.